Go Birds! Something for you from Temp-tations. Listen, many times I was just talking about dishes.
Yes.
Not wanting to make the dishes dirty.
Right.
Here's what happens to me all the time. The dishwasher is full.
Always. Always.
Always full.
Because we don't want to empty it.
And I don't want to have to fill it. I don't have to do anything with it.
Exactly.
Drying mats are an essential in every single kitchen. These are the best ones because you bring us two
of them.
Scored to perfection.
Yep.
And they're the best sizes.
They are. Microfiber, which is fantastic. Super absorbent, which is even better. 24 by 18, 18 by 16. So I like to say like extra large and large. And they're, Alberto and I always talk about this, they're cushy.
Squishy.
Right? Squishy and cushy. So when you're putting like your cut crystal on there because you're hand washing it and you need it to dry, no worries. Protects your countertops, your tables, and everything in between.
By the way, today they're at a sale price of $19. That's the best sale price I've seen them at.
Yes.
3 payments of $6.33. I'll show you colorways really quickly. And then, Tara, I have to read your poem to you.
You wrote me a poem?
Well, Lisa wrote the poem for you.
Lisa, thank you.
But I will definitely read it to you, at least. So here we have it for you in the red. And let's just start right over here in this, if we can over here. There's the red, and that is in your classic. Then I'm going to show you, if we can.
Go ahead, let's spin the wheel.
Let's just go this way. There
Perfect.
You go. There's your confetti. There's your gray. Here's your taupe. Blue. Yellow, black. I love that green. I'm in love with this. Patriotic. I have 3 dozen in the patriotic. Watermelon?
Dying. These are our new
this.
spring collection.
Okay.
Yes.
Watermelon, how many left? 550. The beach umbrellas?
Yes.
You're killing me, Tara.
I know, they're so
300
cute.
remain there. Gray damask, 700. That's actually what I collect and own. Confetti never lasts.
I was going to say,
2 dozen
I'm
remain.
surprised we even have that.
We have Neasters.
Yep.
Or Neastas.
Same thing.
Yeah, kind of. Doodle Gray, 350. Doodle Dew.
Which is red.
Red, which is 400. Doodle Black, 450 left. Now there's also, Confetti's gone.
Okay.
Let's see, what else is gone? Patriotic's gone.
Wow.
Okay. Patriotic's gone already.
Our seasonal that we
taking
bring
those
in
out.
just this time.
Okay. 200 orders already placed, not just for the dishes, and while you're doing that, I'll read this. When the party's over, one of my wishes is not to be stuck doing the dishes.
Yes.
Let's team up after the cooking and frying. I'll do the washing. Taratesha, she's got the drying.
And I like when you said Taratesha.
Yeah, Taratesha.
I sounded even cooler than I am.
That's it.
But here's what I love. Just showing you a couple of other things, right? Being able to take something right out of the oven at 500 degrees. I like to leave one up on top of my Oster, and I just put my my dish right on there. But then I can also bring it to the table and use that also as kind of a trivet. It'll keep that heat.
Yeah, you're not hurting your countertops or your wood tables.
Yeah, exactly. And a lot of people were saying, right, they dry on wood and they don't want it to get wet, obviously. Here's the other thing that I love. Taking something heavy, like your KitchenAid stand mixer, and being able to maneuver it all over the countertop, but then also notice it grounds it and it keeps it from moving. So it moves if you want it to move.
Over 400 orders already placed.
These are so great, you guys.
Okay, 51221 is your item number. You know, this is customer top rated. If you go to QVC.com, you'll read all the 5-star reviews. They really are better drying mats.
They are.
They really are.
They're super cushy. They're microfiber. They're scored. And I scored them so that you can fold them and tuck them right in your drawer, which is fantastic. Use these if you're doing icing, if you have something where if you're going to spill it, you don't want it to get all over your countertop. This is a great way because you throw these right in the washing machine to clean them, which is fantastic. Both sizes, you're getting both of them.
So you're getting the large one and you're getting the, it's like this is large and this is extra large. If you were to go to a store with a door, you might get 1 or 2 of this size. Here, this is the one that folds in 3. With over 600 orders placed, I do want to show you colors one more time because I know that that's what happens. We end up selling out of everything. I have the red right over there. And so I'll bring the table over this way. There's your confetti, 1,400 in the confetti. Here's your gray. There's your taupe. There is your blue, 750 remain there. 600 in the yellow. Black, fewer than 300. Green, 800. Watermelon, 500.
Adorable.
The beach umbrellas, 250. So cute. The gray damask, 650. Nista is available. Gray doodle, 300. Doodle red, 300. Doodle black, Fewer than 400 left. We've now sold over 1,000 sets at
thank you,
$19.
everybody.
What an amazing value. Something that's going to not only save your countertops, but at the same time, it's going to be functional and beautiful, which is what everything in Temp-tations is all about.
And I love the ability, right? Because it's microfiber, it's going to be super absorbent. So you can leave your plates right here, your pots, your pans, the things that you want to wash. But then I also love grounding that Keurig, right? Because inevitably you're going to spill something.
It's
People
your
put their
coffee bar
spoons
station.
down. Now it's you're like your own barista, right? It's your little coffee station. It's your baking station, which I love. So all those things, when we get ready to do these things, you can take these mats out. They go right in the washing machine to clean. Look at this. You have the little cake decorating or cupcake decorating. Remember, put it on your table and it'll keep the heat. You don't have to worry about coming out with that hot baker. And then I also, this was a customer, right? Yeah, or the cat, right? Anything that you want to ground, again, you can put it on the ground because you can put it in the washing
I'll
machine.
tell you why this is really nice. Every time my Coco and Prince Charming go to eat their food, they push their bowl. And if their bowl clinks the other bowl, they get like PTSD, like they gotta walk away. They can't come back to their meal.
Well, my dog likes to take it, put it on the ground, then eat it. Then take it, put it on the ground. I'm like, why do I even bother with the bowl? Just put it on the floor. They'll eat it that way.
So now they're not messing up the floor. This is dishwasher, machine wash. So that's really nice. I love that you did this, right? This little wine station.
Sure. Well, because look, this is going to be all wet. Everything's leaking. Everything's sweating.
Yeah, everything's
and
always
I don't have
sweating.
to worry about it. Exactly. And this could be all my crystal that I want to keep dry. It's such an easier way to do it. And then I love this, right? Big game, little chili station.
Yes,
what happens when you put that spoon down? What happens when you drip and dribble everything?
Yeah,
no worries. Oh, hello.
Oh my gosh.
I know what you're having for lunch.
I know. Can I please
Yes,
have
you
some
may.
of that? Thank you.
For you, my friend, anything.
I want that. Well, what are you going to have?
Exactly.
All right, so let me show you color choices one more time. We've got over 2,000 orders placed. If you want the red, we have that red for you. There is your confetti. There's your gray, taupe, blue, yellow, black, 150 remain there, green. Then we have your watermelon, 450, beach umbrella, 200, gray damask, Nista. There is your doodle gray, doodle red, doodle black.
Good luck in the kitchen,
Okay,
right?
51221 is your item number. 2,500 orders already placed, so please continue to check out your shopping carts. Tara, thank you so much.
This whole look.
Do you like this? I mean,
are
like,
you kidding?
wait,
Look at this
like,
guy.
Like the football, Valentine's.
Don't give you a theme.
Cooking
You got them
guy.
crammed
I
all
like
together.
them all together. I love you so much.
Love you more.
Mwah.
Thanks,
I love
everybody.
you. All right, listen. We've got more for you, including a big deal, and this one